Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we're just going to be diving into a game-changing technique that every trader should know, okay? And basically, we're going to be looking at how to take partial profits on MT4 and MT5, okay? If you've ever been in a trade that goes your way and then suddenly reverses, you already know how frustrating it is to watch a winning position turn into a losing position. And that is exactly why knowing how to scale out of your trades is such a powerful tool. Okay, now let us just quickly start with the basics. What does it mean to take partial profits? Well, taking partial profit simply means closing a portion of your trade. Now, this is a demo account, and I'm just going to open a random trade. Okay, I'm going to open a random trade for the purpose of this video on my demo account, and I'm going to do that right away. So when you want to take partial profits, basically what it means is you are closing a portion of the trade and not the entire position. This lets you secure some gains while keeping the rest of the trade open to capture more potential movement. Okay, it's actually perfect when price is approaching a key level and you are not sure if it will break through or reverse. Okay, for want of time, I just had to enter a position right here, and let's assume that we had entered the position earlier on, and perhaps price have already started approaching, a resistance zone, and perhaps we are not sure if the price is going to keep going higher immediately. Maybe you are a scalper, or even if you are an intraday trader or swing trader, whatever time frame that you were trading on, and perhaps price gets to a key level, and then you want to just secure some gains and just leave the trade running in case of if the price breaks through, right? So in such a situation, rather than all or nothing, you take some of the profit off the table and let the rest run. Now, you might be wondering why this is important, because in trading, it's not just about entry points, okay? It's about managing the trade. Taking partial profits helps with locking in gains without exiting too early, and it also helps with reducing risk while staying in the game, right? And it also helps to avoid the emotional roller coaster of holding 100% of your trade, okay? So basically, when you want to close, part of your profits on MT4, the desktop terminal, okay, I'm still going to show you how to, do it on MT5, and then I'll just briefly, show, via an image how to do it, the close partial profits on mobile as well. So for your MT4 desktop, you just go to your trade tab in your terminal. You right click the open position that you want to close partially. You select modify or delete order. All right. If you don't want to go through this long process, you can just double click on the position and it's still going to take you to this place. Okay. So now in the order window, you'll see the volume field, right? You'll see the volume field. Now, let's click on market execution. So now when you change that to market execution, you change the lot size to the amount that you want to close. Okay, so let's say I want to close out of this 0.03. No, I entered 0.03 lot size. So let's say out of this 0.03, I want to close 0.01 and let 0.02 run. So I'm going to change this volume to 0.01. Okay, then once I do that, I'll click close. All right, so you can see in that case, I have closed 0.01 profit. Okay, and I left 0.02 to run. So it depends on the volume that you want to close, and whatever lot size you used to enter the trade, and you just close the partial profit that you want and let the rest run. Okay, so it's pretty easy. All right, now let's quickly go to how to take partial profits on MT5. All right, let us take partial profits on MT5. This is another demo account, and I'm just going to be executing a random trade as well. Okay, I'm just going to be executing a random trade for the purpose of this video as well. And I have to increase the lot size so that I can be able to close partial profit, because if you use the minimum lot size 0.01, that means you will not be able to close any partial profit. So I'm just going to enter 0.03 or even 0.02 if I want, just enter a random trade. And then on MT5, you can just tap the trade that you want to modify. All right, when you double tap on it, this should come out. Then you click on market execution, just similar to what we did on MT4. Okay, and you just modify the volume to the that you want to close. You modify the volume to the lot size you want to close, and once you've done that, you click on close, right? And then you will see that in this case I closed 0.01 of the lot size, and I left 0.01 to run. So it's very, very easy to close partial profit. Now, just like I said I'm going to use an image to show you how to do that on mobile, because I'm currently recording this video with my laptop, so I just have to show you how to do it on mobile very quickly with an image. So now, if you are using a mobile phone, all right, and you have already executed a trade, obviously, and then you go to modify. You have to go to modify. Okay, you tap the trade that you want to modify, and you go to this section. You can see this section where the lot sizes are mentioned, right? After you have clicked on modify, you adjust the lot size. You click on modify, click on this lot size section. Okay, you go click on close. Okay, you go to where the order is being closed. All right, because if you want to modify the trade, that is for adjusting of your stop loss or take profit. Yeah, if I'm correct, that is where you modify your stop loss and your take profit. But instead of going to modify, if you see the option to close under modify, then you can adjust your stop loss, your lot size, and then click on close. But if you do not see the option to close under the modify section, then just go directly to close. Okay, go directly to close order. When you click on close order, then this dialog box should pop up. All right, when you click on close position, this dialog box should pop up. Then once it pops up, you adjust the lot size here. You select the particular lot size that you want to close, and then you just click on close with profit. You click on close for that particular lot size that you adjusted, just like how we did on the desktop version. So it's super easy. Just make sure you double check the volume. Okay, one small mistake and you might close the entire trade by accident. Now, it's important for you to know that it's necessary that you always know your entry size. That's where you can calculate accurate partial closes. And if you are using risk to reward setups, taking 50% off at maybe 1-to-1 risk to reward is a solid strategy. And you should use partial closes as part of a broader trade management plan and not randomly. Okay, so if you found this breakdown helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more traders who need this kind of content. And if you're new here, subscribe right now for more real world Forex tips, strategies, and tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.